Helen McMahon for Expert Village. We've got our flour added to the mixture for our oatmeal raisin cookies, and as that is getting mixed in, that's going to take a while because we've got 2 cups of flour to incorporate into that. And we have another dry ingredient, which is oatmeal, and I use the old-fashioned oats, not the instant oats. These are much better for making oatmeal cookies. So I'm going to turn this off for just a moment, and if you hold this in this way, you can usually scoop out a cup very nicely and get a good measure. That's a nice cupful right there. And add this with your machine turned off, because otherwise the oatmeal will spatter all over the air. And you won't get as much oatmeal in your cookie as you're hoping to. This is why this is such a nice, nutritious kind of cookie, and great for children as well, because you've got good oats in there, as well as your eggs and butter and flour. We also need another half cup for a total of 2.5 cups of oatmeal. And when that's added, turn the machine on very slowly at first, because it's going to take a while to incorporate that into the dough. This is stiffening up quite a lot with all that dry ingredient being added. And it's a hard-working mixer that will do this job so well. So you're very fortunate if you have a good mixer that will last a long time and work as hard as this does. The KitchenAid is a very hard-working and reliable product for doing heavy-duty mixing like this. We'll turn that off for just a moment with our continual process of scraping down the sides of the bowl and the beaters to ensure that you get a good mixture. We want all the ingredients to be uniformly distributed throughout the entire dough. And that's guaranteed if you are diligent about stopping every once in a while to scrape down the sides in the bowl.